Everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be making some delicious shrimp and broccoli. It's back to school time. I'm back to these weeknight meals, and this is on the menu for tonight. This is a pretty simple recipe. I'm going to show you two different ways to make the shrimp and broccoli. So oftentimes, if you're like me and you have a family, you have people that are on different diets. So I'm going to show you the low carb way to make the shrimp and broccoli, and then I will show you how to make the shrimp and broccoli for the rest of the family. In this skillet, I've got the broccoli and the shrimp. They are cooking up, and then I have the pasta, as you saw previously, in a separate pot. So the pasta's over there. It's to a rolling boil. I have it in salted water and it's cooking away. And then over here, we've got the shrimp and the broccoli hanging out. Looks really good. So I'm going to have you up close and personal in the skillet in this video. So it may get a little bit steamy from time to time, but I want you to be able to see and feel and hear the sounds that are going on in the kitchen. You're almost going to be able to smell how delicious this recipe is. So now I'm over at the sink. The pasta is done. So I'm going to grab the pot off the stovetop and then bring it over to my sink and strain out the water. So I'll let this hang out for a little bit. While that's hanging out, I'll go back and check the broccoli and the shrimp. Now, one thing that I will say is that seafood cooks pretty quickly. So I usually will put the broccoli in the skillet first and let that start cooking down. And then I will add my shrimp. That way I don't have to worry about overcooking the shrimp. Once your shrimp turns pink, then you know your shrimp is ready, it's done. And broccoli, it's really a preferred taste. Some people like their broccoli firm. Some people like to wilt their broccoli. So it is up to you. We do like a little bit of firmness with our broccoli whenever we're serving it with shrimp. So this is almost ready. And I'm going to go ahead and start adding in the sauce. Now with shrimp and broccoli, of course, you can leave it without sauce if you choose not to add sauce, or you can add alfredo sauce in. Now I'm just tossing everything around. I'm letting it all get coated and nice and flavorful. And once I have everything nice and coated, it is time to add the pasta. Now, when I said I wanted to show you two different ways, you can stop here and serve that if you're doing low carb, or you can add in the pasta. So now that we've got the pasta in, I'm going to season this with a little bit of salt, and now I'm sprinkling in the black pepper. And this is a nice, delicious, flavorful dish. So at this time, everything is cooking up. It's really almost completely done, but I'm going to turn it down on a low simmer just to let the flavors kind of mesh together. And I'm going to go ahead and get the plate out on the table so that we can plate up this delicious dish. I can serve it to my family and, of course, get that thumbnail. All right, we are in the home stretch. Our dinner is almost served. I can't believe it. This video has gone by so quickly. But this is it. We're plating up the dish, and you're going to be ready to serve your family, and you're going to have a lot of full tummies and smiling faces. Thank you all so much for taking the time out to watch the video. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed already, don't forget to hit that subscription button on your way out. Turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss any uploads from me. And I will, of course, talk to you in the comments below if you decide to leave me a comment, or in the next video. Bye for now.